guys, so this is quickly how to withdraw your Notcoin to your exchange, right? So Notcoin is ready now for withdrawal. So just simply come to your Notcoin bot. That's the first thing you do. I just want to make this video very brief so that you guys can get it. So this is my Notcoin bot. So this is it. So I think I've already clicked on claim. So you click on claim. That's the first thing you see. You click on claim and then you come to this point. This is my balance, 7,000 Notcoin. So you can see two buttons here, plus and the up symbol, right? So I'm clicking on the one that looks like an up, right? Let me quickly show you this one here. I'm clicking on that, on this one. All right, so when you click on that, you should have this. So you can choose where you want to do it. If you want to stake, you want to put on exchange, or you want to put in the wallet on Telegram, because Telegram has a wallet where you can put your Notcoin, right? Because it's on the Ton blockchain. But for me, I'm going to be using exchange, right? I'll click on exchange, then continue. I'll use OKX, right? So if you don't have an OKX account, use my referral link so you can have access to it. So I'll be clicking on OKX. So if I click on OKX now, I click on send. I already have an account, so I'll click on yes, I have it. So now you ask for your deposit address and then your memo. So I simply come to OKX. So this is my OKX. All right, this is my OKX. I simply come to OKX. All right, then I'll be copying my wallet address and my memo, right? So this is my OKX account. So I'll click on deposit, right? Click on deposit crypto. Then I'll be clicking on Notcoin. So you can see you can just search it here, NOT. So Notcoin. So you choose this, you just tap. Network is obviously done, right? So this is it. So you copy your address. I've copied it now. Come to Telegram and paste it, right? You come here and you paste it on that Telegram. Oh my god, that's gone back. All right, so you'll be clicking that. Right, I'll just quickly do it quickly again. So I don't know why it's closed at the background. So right, so I'll be clicking that, right, and then I'll also be copying what is the memo. I'm copying the memo as well. 6307200, right? 6307200. Let me confirm that. 6307200, right? I don't want to go there again. 6307200. So keep going. Let me confirm again so I won't make any mistake. 6307200. I'm very sure that I don't make any mistake. 6307200. All right, so that is it. So keep going. All right, so it looks good. So I confirm, and that is it. All right, so nice. So it will be posted on my Telegram, on my OKX on the day of the listing, right? So that is simply how to withdraw it. So you can see it's 0, you can see withdrawing, right? So got it. So it'll be available on the listing day. So this is simply how to withdraw your Notcoin to your OKX. And please, if you don't have an OKX account, just use my link to register one. And I would love to see you guys buy your Lambo on the May 16th. So have a wonderful day. God bless you all.